In this video, I will show you how to find your Windows 10 or Windows 11 product key. Let's get started. Go to the search bar on your taskbar and type Regedit. From the results, click on Registry Editor. A prompt will appear asking for permission. Click on Yes. Now the Registry Editor will open. On the left side, you will see a list of folders. These are called registry keys. First, double-click on the folder called hkey_local_machine. Then double-click on the folder named Software. Now, scroll down and find the folder named Microsoft. Double-click to open it. Inside Microsoft, scroll again and look for a folder named Windows NT. Once you find Windows NT, double-click on it. Now open the folder called Current Version by double-clicking on it. Inside Current Version, scroll down and look for a folder called Software Protection Platform. Click once on Software Protection Platform. Now look at the right side of the window. You will see a list of entries. One of the entries is called BackupProductKeyDefault. Next to this name, on the right side, you will see a long code. This is your Windows product key. You can copy this code and save it somewhere safe. This is the license key for your current Windows installation. Thanks for watching.